we're going to look at the chemical properties, general chemical properties of metals. Now, the first chemical property we're going to look at is their ionization behavior. Now, from the earlier definition of metals, we're able to see that the ionization behavior of the metals is loss of electrons. Now, chemically, or looking at the chemical reaction, we see that taking for example sodium is going to lose one electron in order to ionize to become sodium metal, which is the element. Another example would be calcium, which will ionize by losing 2 electrons to give calcium metal. Another example is aluminium, which will ionize by losing 3 electrons to give the aluminium metal. So that explains the ionization behavior of metals. Now the next chemical property we'll be looking at is reducing agents. Metals as reducing agents. Now, one of the definitions of oxidation and reduction is based on the loss and gain of electrons. And oxidation reduction reactions can be defined in terms of the loss of electrons and the gain of electrons. Now, for metals, we have been able to see that they lose electrons when they ionize and also when they go into chemical reactions. So, loss of electrons, as defined by the redox reaction parameters, can be seen based on the behavior of metals. So, metals as reducing agents will lose electrons, just as shown here, when they go into reaction. For example, the reaction between sodium and chlorine to give sodium chloride. Now, in this reaction, sodium is going to serve as the reducing agent. That means sodium is going to reduce chlorine. So, and in turn, chlorine will serve as the oxidizing agent. So, chlorine is going to oxidize sodium. Now, the next chemical property of metals we're going to look at is reaction with acids. Now, metals react with acid to give a salt or a hydroxide and hydrogen gas. For example, you see zinc reacting with HCl to give zinc chloride and hydrogen gas.